with your kids too. I saw some gardening and some other things. What have you kind of incorporated in as daily life into your homeschool?
So the kids have chores each morning. When we get up, we get dressed, and they have different chores. And one could be vacuuming, one could be taking the dogs out, one could be feeding the cats. One's job is just to count the spoons out because that's where she's at. So finding a job that's something that's meaningful to the family, that no matter how simple it is. So we start with that. Then we all have breakfast, and then during their school, they do a lot of cooking. Sometimes we'll do a lunch for everybody that's the staff and all the kids that are here. So the kids will make a big lunch with everybody. So we do a lot of cooking. We've started doing a lot of gardening, just to get them out doing different things. One daughter, she really likes doing construction, so she's been doing repairs and stuff with her dad, and she likes learning that way, so she's been doing a lot of those kind of things. So just a variety of things. I have an adult son that's a automotive mechanic, and the kids will work with him, and he'll be teaching them. So just things around the house, just including them and trying to get them to experience different things.
Right. Yeah. Just whatever happens that they can be part of. I think sometimes we automatically will exclude some of our kids because we think they may not enjoy this, or this just isn't, in their ability yet. But I know a couple of my siblings, they just want to get in there and do it. Anything that they can do, even in a wheelchair, just if they can be close by, if they can hand you things, if, they just want to be part of the experience. And I love what you said. It's a value to the family.
Yes.
And I think everybody, we need to realize there is a value. And I had a couple of my siblings were profoundly disabled, and I've had 5 pass away actually. And my mom said at one point, she goes, Nick didn't do a whole lot physically, but the difference he made in people's lives was important. It made an impact. And, if we can see that, whatever gift that child has to our family, it's a value, and to value that.
And I think they want to feel valued. Like, they want to know that they're important in the family. So they need to be able to contribute in whatever way works for them.
Right. Yeah. And it may take you a little while to figure that out. But I love that. Spoons, you can do spoons. And it is an important thing. You got breakfast. You need a spoon to eat.
And all the skills involved in counting out the right number and then setting the table, putting them all in the right place. That she's learning a lot of skills while she's doing that, and she's happy and so excited. I did the spoons.
Oh,